Hey everybody, what's going on? This is a mandala that I did. It's 4 pieces. The canvas is 6x6. I used gold, blue, and mixed some colors of variations of blue. I used a light yellow, pastel yellow, and of course white. I painted the background first with the blue and the yellow. I don't have a video of that. And then I started doing my bigger dots with my tools. I have many tools. I will put a picture at the end with all my tools. As you can see here, I'm using a nail stylus to do the little dots around the big dots. I did not videotape everything in this mandala piece, but I thought I would do a short video and tell you what I used. I used folk art paint. I used a gloss varnish mix. I mixed the paint with gloss varnish and a little tad bit of water. I also used a metallic blue. That the bigger dots there are the metallic blue. Sorry about that. And so I just walked the dots around, all the big dots. I'm trying to figure out how to have a better tutorial for you guys, but it's hard to tell you how to make dots, and the more you practice, the better you get at it. Sometimes it can be hard when they're not even. I tend to not measure things because I just want to get started, and I just do the dots uneven sometimes, but it still looks okay. And I usually do one side walking down, and then I do the other side because it's easier and you get them more uniform. Sometimes if you do them at the same time, it doesn't look good. But that is just the way I end up doing it. You can get your own style sooner or later. So you can use nail stylus, or you can use clay sculpting tool. As you can see right here, I'm going down just one side. I'm walking the dots down on one side first, dipping my tool in. With the dots, it has to be a little bit thinner than the original dots so that it goes. This is a custom order that I did, and it's 6x6, 4 canvases that are 6x6 that turn out to be one mandala, and I'll show you a picture at the end of this video. Alright, that concludes my video.